My name is Andrea Jones, and I am an essential oil educator and eating psychology coach. My mom was a dietitian, and we knew the right things to eat. And even though we knew all the right things to eat, we didn't do them because they were hard and they weren't fun. And anytime we would go to a party or any kind of a social event, it was like, get off the diet, eat whatever we want. And it was this constant yo-yo between the good foods and the bad foods. So by getting this training, I was really kind of enlightened as a whole new concept of eating and your body image. And it's more than just what you eat, it's how you eat, when you eat, all these type of things that I didn't even know existed. But deep down I was looking for, because I knew that what I had been raised with wasn't working for me and my family. I have changed my relationship with food in that I no longer see food as good or bad. I just see it as food to nourish my body. And whatever situation I'm in, the food can be healthy or it can be a opportunity to nourish me, whether I'm feeling emotional or not. I'm really excited to be adding this into my career because I currently teach about essential oils and natural health care. So it goes beautifully hand in hand with the idea of living a natural, holistic lifestyle, because you can do all the natural remedies you want, but if you have a poor relationship with your food and exercise and all these things that kind of combine, it can be out of balance. So adding in the eating psychology coaching along with a natural healthcare concept is something I'm really excited to combine. This training has really empowered me to think outside of the box and realize that everything that I knew or thought was healthy is so much more than that, and being able to help people to strip away the false beliefs of what a healthy body has to look like, what nutrition has to look like, is so freeing, not only for myself, but so many people in the world really need this message. And so I'm really honored to be able to share this message with the world. The training was really awesome because it was flexible. You can take the training from just about anywhere in the world, and you do have a time frame to listen to all the modules and complete the assignments, but you could really do it at your own pace. You could do it if you're traveling from your phone. So it was really flexible in that you didn't have to go to a physical classroom and had to miss classes if you had other things going on in your life. So having the flexibility of doing it online at kind of your own pace was really nice. I have been giving a structure, but also the freedom to be unique in my coaching with each client. Oftentimes there's lots of programs out there that are very rigid in how you're supposed to coach each client, and sometimes that's good, but sometimes that can be restrictive, whereas other programs, they don't give you any kind of structure and you're kind of lost. So this training was really a good combination of giving a basic structure, but also having the freedom to be yourself and go outside the boundaries with clients if needed. I would recommend doing this training over another training, really because there's nothing like this out there that I've found that really looks at the whole picture of the whole body of a healthy lifestyle. There's a lot of people that will just tell you what to eat or not to eat, and if you just kind of want a very rigid structure of nutrition, go for it, but I've found that doesn't always work. So this is I've never found anything like this before that really looks at the whole body and the whole nutrition concepts, and it really works.